All right, I got a question for you.
Shoot.
Nothing to do with AI. What's something we can do in our area when there's a cleaner on every single cul-de-sac out here? What do we do that's new, different, stands out? Seems like the average client moved from, we call it California, Oregon, Washington. Pretty wealthy people moving in. I don't know if it's Google. I don't know if we can compete with Google price-wise just because of how many other people are running ads on Google. What do you got for us on that?
Kelly, let me know if you have any suggestions. The first thing that comes to my mind is more niche or niche services. One of the things that stood out to me in the last year is Spencer's done really well with rug cleaning. Another client of ours has done really well with drapery cleaning. He'll go into your house and take the drapes down, clean them off site, bring them back and hang them back up. He also does repairs on those. And that's a high ticket service. People who are searching for that are people that have money, spend money. Those are custom drapes hanging from their windows, right? Like you're talking bigger houses, tons of nicer textile surfaces, right? Tons of like higher ticket stuff to clean. If you can get in the door to clean that stuff first, then the rest of the business is yours to have, right? So there's a guy on Facebook, I think a lot of people know, Manuel, who helps people get into like the stone and hard surface, like natural stone countertops and floors and showers, that kind of stuff. He helps you get into that kind of business. But he's a great guy, by the way. You should go like buy his program, check his stuff out, all that. He's a friend of mine on Facebook. So one of the things he always says is he actually cleans more carpets now as a stone guy than when he was a carpet cleaner, because he gets in the house, he gets in these really nice houses to do the stone. He's in the showers, cleaning up the shower stall, removing soap scum, cleaning even the glass, right? Like the glass walls in the shower, that kind of stuff, doing the countertops. And then all he has to do is say, hey, by the way, I noticed your hardwood floors. By the way, I noticed, the carpet in these rooms. By the way, I noticed your rugs. I noticed your upholstery. Like the rest of it's all there for the taking. So I would think about if there's any other services that you are interested in getting into like that would put you into those nicer homes, because obviously we can advertise those online. We can do SEO. We can add it to your Google profile. We can run ads for it if you want. YouTube ads are great for that, by the way. You can put it on your social media. You can also do direct mail, and direct mail is more effective with a high ticket niche service than it is with carpet cleaning and upholstery cleaning. Direct mail kind of sucks if you're just doing carpet cleaning. It works if you're sending direct mail to your existing customers. But if you're trying to hit new customers and win business, it's hard to do it with carpet and upholstery cleaning. It's much easier to do it with a high ticket service. I like that tactic of getting in those houses that way. Offer them a higher ticket service that would only appeal to those types of customers. And then once you get in the door, you have the relationship, offer them the rest of what you have.
Yeah, all the homes out here are pretty much brand new within the last 5 years. Majority of them, obviously. Countertop cleaning is something we're really interested in. We started doing a little bit of that. Rug cleaning was something we really wanted to do in California. You go to a house and they're like, yeah, it's a $30,000 rug on the floor. We have to have a waiver sign, but out here, people don't have really expensive rugs. People kind of do the cheaper Amazon stuff, it seems like, or the Wayfair rugs out here. But countertops for sure. That could be something interesting. And upholstery. We got a lot of upholstery.
Nice.
I hate plain upholstery. It sucks, but it's consistent.
Yeah.
It's the worst.
Everybody says that, but it's good money. I like cleaning upholstery as long as someone else is doing it, right? As long as it's an employee handling it. Let me know if we can help you in any way with that this year. I'd be happy to help you out.